Welcome to Pure Aqua for the most advanced reverse osmosis, water treatment, and purification systems worldwide.
We're at the world headquarters of Pure Aqua Inc. and production completed the fabrication of a brackish water skid-mounted RO system going to the United States with a capacity of around 12,000 gallons per day, treating well water. So included on the pre-treatment of the RO, we have a feed and backwash pump, which is shown right there, steel 316 in construction, followed by a chemical injection of chlorine right before the multimedia filter. On the filtration side, we have, as mentioned, a multimedia filter, a Greensand filter, and activated carbon filter. The multimedia filter is going to remove light amounts of metals and reduce the turbidity. The Greensand filter is mainly there to remove the iron, and the carbon filter will remove the residual chlorine and organics before the feed of the RO. Now, right after the carbon filter, right before the feed of the RO, we finally inject a small amount of anti-scalum to protect the Dow FilmTech RO membranes, which are a model number LCHR, and we've selected these membranes because they're high rejection due to the high boron feed from the well that's the customer is utilizing on this particular application. Now, as mentioned, this is all factory skid mounted, where the customer essentially just connects power, and there are 3 connections from the feed, drain, and product, and the system is ready to go. So in about a day or so, this can be ready to use and producing clean, potable water for the customer here in the United States for their agriculture application, and particularly it's for hydroponics. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for choosing Pure Aqua as your primary supplier.